Hey guys, Smuggles here, coming at you from the other bathroom in this house. Isn't that cool? The main reason why I'm doing it in here is because the other one's going to be occupied for a long time. And also, I got a big announcement. For those that don't know, on YouTube, I've been posting my yearly, well, year and 2 months amount of weight loss on TikTok over the last 2 months. And this video will be the equalizer. Every video now will be up to date on all platforms because this is the most recent one. So, hi to TikTok and hi to Instagram, as well as hi to YouTube. And it's kind of weird saying all that at once. But, it's either that or make 3 different videos each time. So, naturally, I went with the path of least resistance. Anyway, on to the meat of the video. I have slimmed down. Stupid. Yeah, these pants are really not tight enough. Anyway, yeah, I don't think you can really tell that well with this angle here. Get on my tiptoes. Lost another 1.6 pounds since my last weigh-in, and I'm now 188.8. Now 186, which is where I was when I did my cheat week still, so that's a little annoying. Beyond that, uh, I think that's really close to where my limit is going to be, 180. I thought it would be 175, but the more I look at myself, the more and the more weight I acknowledge I have to lose still. I think a lot of it is just the loose skin. I've probably got like 15 pounds of loose skin. So, I mean, it's not really a fair comparison to go below 180. However long that takes. Anyway, before this gets too long, like and subscribe if you're on YouTube. Follow me if you're on TikTok and Instagram. And stay tuned because now that I'm up to date, I can upload anything I need or I want to do now. It's going to be fun.